Kev G weather overview. Another wet week on the way. And we've been dealing with a lot of wet weather over the last couple of weeks. And this is from NOAA, like them on Facebook and Twitter. You've got this rain chance that's going to be filling in for late tonight through much of Monday and even into part of Tuesday before we get rid of it. And then a break for Wednesday before more rain moves in for Thursday. So the total precipitation, I'm kind of surprised off of the Weather Prediction Center. They only have us with about 2 inches of rain for the entire week. So what does that tell you? That tells you that it's going to be more damp than a washout. Because if you get 2 inches of rain spread out over a 4 or 5 day period, it tells you that it's a very damp situation with light to moderate rain. The rain, it's not going to be overwhelmingly heavy, but where it will be quite heavy is over the south. That area of Orange, that's where the rain is really going to come down excessively. So, you can contrast it with that as you look at these precipitation charts off of the Weather Prediction Center. So it just kind of gives you a snapshot of what the weather is going to be like in terms of overall precipitation. So 2 inches of rain falling over a 4 or 5 day period is, definitely the nuisance type of rainfall, the unpleasant, but not anything that's really going to flood anything or anything like that. So just be prepared for periods of rain. Now here we are. This is for early Monday morning. This is around the time you wake up, getting ready for work. Most people around 6, 7 a.m. And the rain off the GFS has already started, and it just kind of moves in and out during the day. So periods of rain from Monday into Tuesday, and yeah, much of the period is just what you see is what you get. And by the time we get to about late Tuesday evening, the rain is moving out. So we get our midweek break, and then, alas, more rain moves in for Thursday. And this rain will continue for a good chunk of Thursday before it moves out. I'd say by the time we get into Thursday afternoon, the rain is gone. So the rain for late week looks like it's going to be more short-lived than the rain for early in the week, where the rain for early in the week, the Monday, Tuesday, it's slow to move out, whereas Thursday, this is getting kicked along. Behind that, it's going to be a windy, chilly Valentine's Day week. Big high pressure moves in overhead, but then temperatures start to moderate as we go into next week. So this is around President's Day, and we have more rain moving in as this pattern continues, where basically we have fleeting shots of cold air, and they don't stick around in time to give us any real chance at snow. So when we look at the 10-day off of Weather Underground, um, you basically have milder than normal temperatures from where we should be this time of year. Thursday, 54, but rain. So we have that warm air moving in, and then chillier for Friday into Saturday. That number for Friday could be a bit too low, with a high of only 28 and a low of 12. I don't know if it'll get that low, but definitely a more seasonable temperature as we go towards Valentine's Day weekend, but then warming it up early next week with more rain chances in the offing.